What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's time for a Camaro update. I had SD card issues and it deleted every dang thing that happened today. So I'm going to give you a quick rundown on what we did today. Here we go. So first things first, we took the doors off of this thing. They weren't savable because, well, I didn't have time to repair them. I didn't want to repair them. I've been looking for doors and you're darn tootin'. No, that's not even it. You're darn skippy. I looked for doors forever. And guess what? I might have got some. Alright. Might be a little hard for you to tell. Why? I couldn't save the doors. Look at it. Looks halfway decent. A little thin there. I don't know. There's a gaping hole. Yes, so I'm not repairing that. I'm not going to take the time to repair that because, well, I'd have more time in it than the door's worth. So, scour the internet. Cower. Yeah, I feel like cowering after my SD card. Just flashed everything. I swear if it does this time, I'm going to need a nap. But this door's toast. The other one's toast. When we took the glass out of both of these doors, it would have been honestly easier to take them out the bottom. So, in that note, they're big. They're heavy. Now let's get them out of here. Oh, gee. And like that, that door's out of here. 2. I reorganized my garage. Not really that well. I've reorganized it so the drips don't fall on most of my tools or equipment that's like behind me because my roof leaks. Yeah, we'll figure that out later. But where was I going with this? I don't know. Either way, quarters tacked on. You want to come with me? Welcome back. The taillight filler panels tacked into place. The trunks tacked into place. No, this is not the deck lid I'm using. It had a spoiler on it. Spoiler's over there. Spoiler alert. It's dented. Can't use it. I'm not spending the time. Now, it's a little bit solider. What a word. It's a little bit nicer underneath. I might cut what's good in here out and scab it into the factory original trunk lid here that you see here. Hell, I might even do some sheet metal work on that. We never know. We'll get into that when we get into that. But it's a tight fit. It needs adjustment. So be it. But we'll get there when we get there. Let's move on to the next thing. And last but not least, to front stage doors. We got doors. We got doors. They aren't rotted on the bottom. Okay, they might have been at some point, but not anymore. That you can see if you go like that. Stray cat. ADHD saw cat. my buddy went to the swap meet, found these for a killer deal. And well, to be honest, I can't argue with them. I don't need show quality. I don't need brand new doors for this car at all. I need this car to be a driver, to go make memories and go beat the crap out of it and have some fun, and not be, oh, don't touch it. No, I want to be able, something breaks, I'm climbing over the fender and I'm getting in there, just getting my peepers on it, making sure it's okay, not worried about the grease that touches it. The project behind me that I'm burying now, that I'll crawl all over. I'll hit it with jacks and bikes and everything in this garage. Try not to, but it's not that I don't care. The car was built to be driven. Same with this car. I'm gonna build it to be driven. I'm gonna fix it up to where it can be driven. And if you scratch it, you scratch it. Yes, it sucks, but that's the way she goes, bud. Well, sit there. Oh, the fact that I'm absolutely insane. Stay, you're on camera now. Thank you. They don't like to listen when they're young, but they'll learn. And look at that one. Man. Like I said, this car is gonna look half-assed when it's done. No, it's not. No, no, no. Put my left hand over my heart and wash my eyes. That'll be alright. Hopefully. After years of not looking at it. Like this. I'll get it correct. But no, I just wanted to give you a quick update on it. It has been a minute since I've uploaded. I've done a lot of work off camera, just because it's repetitive. And it's honestly time consuming getting the camera out to record the little bits of details and where I can't put the camera to get you guys a good shot and so on and so forth. Not making excuses, just want to make good content for you guys. Or at least try to. But with that being said, guys, SD cards, pray for this one to work. But with that being said, it's your project. Do it your way. This is how I'm doing mine. And man, would you take a look at this thing one more time. Man, it's starting to look like an actual car. Too bad we got all that work to do up there. This needs to go somewhere for storage. But later, guys. The fingers, they always get the motor going. Right, Marshall?
Oh, yeah.